Well, g'day everyone. Welcome to 2025.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Welcome to Roamin in the Robbo. It's going to be a massive year for us actually.
Yeah.
We've enjoyed our little break. Yeah, things have been very hectic. So Christmas was really good. We had the family down. That's why the camper's set up. My brother and his family stayed in the camper. I set it up for them, including the awning, which they were very lucky to get. The awning, that is.
Now, it was a fantastic week. I think everyone was down for about a week, and it was relaxing and
so good.
Yeah, it was perfect first Christmas in our house. Even though the house is a bomb site, everyone just had the best time.
Such a construction site, and there was 10 people all together, but we never really felt like we were on top of each other. We've only got one bathroom and one toilet.
That was fine.
And it was absolutely fine.
It was great.
Yeah. So I think the last episode we left off, we had to put the green countertops back on, and literally the day after we did that filming, the countertop guy came through.
A miracle.
Yeah, we had a Christmas miracle. We had countertops for the kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen wasn't finished, and it's still not 100% finished, but it was functional.
Yeah, and it worked well.
And we had really good Christmas lunch.
Yeah, it's great. So it's been a fantastic
It has,
break, actually.
Yeah.
And
Right.
now into it,
So what's going on?
Nick and his crew have now started here. They're here full time, which is fantastic. Yeah. Probably things should mostly be done within the next few weeks. Some things have taken a little bit longer than Nick sort of originally expected, but that's okay. There's progress every day, and it's all happening.
Yeah, all those roof ceiling tiles, what do you call them? Roof tiles. They've all been pulled down, and all the new battens are going up, and new insulation, and all the wood panelling's coming off, getting ready for the new ceiling and jib rocking. Which
should go in early next week, I think, at this point. They did find in that back room when they removed the things that the poles, I guess for a better lack of word, I don't know what you call them.
Joists?
Yeah.
Steel supports, what the colour bond is screwed to.
Yeah, was rusted. Thankfully Nick wasn't too concerned. He said we'll just do a rust conversion. He felt it was just surface rust, and once they did the rust conversion it was. So now they've resealed those, and it all came up pretty good. So that was great. Yeah,
because those extensions are sort of exposed to the outside a little bit, where the colour bond roof attaches to the roof joists or battens. It's not fully sealed, so I guess that's how moisture got in.
So that will now be sealed
that's
up.
all 100% going to be sealed up.
Yeah, so we shouldn't have that issue in the...
It's going to look really good.
Yeah, it's going to come up so good. And once they lifted the roof in what's going to be our bedroom, they found a lot of space in there. So we've decided to replaster that whole room so they could lift the ceiling up in there. So that's going to look really nice.
It's a massive big bedroom, though. It's going to be good. It looks like a shed at the moment, but it's going to be a big bedroom.
It's going to come up really nice, I think. So... But yeah, it's coming along really well, actually. All
that carpet and underlay that was in those back two rooms, I lifted all that up. That was an absolute nightmare. And I did that on like a 35-degree day, and there's no insulation, and there was no airflow, and I was wearing a mask. I was just pouring sweat. But it's done now, so I'm happy about that.
Job ticked off.
Job ticked off, yeah. Still got some more carpet and stuff to lift in the bedrooms.
Yeah.
What else? Oh, the microwave hutch and cabinet and dishwasher cabinet, that's sort of slowly coming together.
Yep. If all goes to plan, hopefully as well, by the end of next week, the kitchen should be pretty well put together. We're still waiting on some bits of the countertop to be done, so that's holding things up still. So
he's coming today. Fingers crossed.
We'll see. Anyway, so hopefully then by the end of next week, in our next video, we can pretty much show you what it will be like. The kickboards won't go in until the flooring goes in, but the rest should all be pretty well done. So we won't show too much of the kitchen just yet. We'll wait. Hopefully we can show that next video done.
Finished.
Yeah, we'll see.
This is a bit of a teaser, right? Because we've been talking about this kitchen for about 2 months.
It's a bit of a teaser for us too, because
So what is it? They say that renovations, whatever your time frame is, triple it, and whatever your budget is, double it. Something like that. But we haven't had to double our time frame. The budget is
not doubled yet.
Blowing out a little bit, but it's not doubled.
It hasn't doubled. And I don't think it will double.
No.
But, you know, this is going to be our dream home, and as little things have come up, we've sort of thought, you know what, let's just do it proper and be happy with it.
Spend an extra $500 and do that thing. And,
yeah.
Or that needs repairing, or, Because when things start getting pulled apart, you start noticing that's not quite right, or that's not, this is a good idea, let's change that.
Yeah.
And that's why they blow out, because you make changes along the way.
But we had allowed that it would possibly blow out. We had hoped not to have to spend the extra, but I think it will be worth it in the long run when the house is just looking beautiful. But yeah, and other than that, we've just been enjoying the country life. We been embracing that. We went to the Tom Curtin show, which
that was really good. Actually,
people have followed. We went to that. It was 3 years ago. The last one we went
Hopetown.
To. Yeah,
is that 3 years we were in Hopetown?
Yeah, so we went to that again. That was really
that was fantastic.
That was a fun night.
That was just locally.
Yeah, that was in Albany. So that was good. And tomorrow we've got the horse races down at the local Mount Barker Race Club.
The local GGs.
So we're going to get all dolled up and go and enjoy the races.
Club, here we come. Look out. Yeah.
But no, it's been really nice actually. Yeah. And just getting to know the neighbours and become part of the community. Yeah. And we've got a
couple of new family members. Steve and Donald.
Yep, Steve and Donald, our sweet little boys, arrived. Yeah. We can flash back to when they arrived. They joined us just before Christmas, our little boys, and we love them so much.
Yeah. So check out their arrival. It's time to meet Steve and Donald, the new additions to the family.
We can hop in to start with, and I can show you how to handle
them. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. I like them captive because they can't run away.
Hello, cuties.
Come in. Well.
Oh, you're looking, aren't you?
You're looking. Oh. Yeah, no, not here. No. I would say he's going to be the toting child for the duration.
Hiding down there.
And get your hand, and you're just going to come up like that and go, hello.
They're tiny, eh? They're just little babies still.
So cute. You can look. No, I might disappear. There you go. Hello, baby. So that's about 20 micron in fibre, and the lower the micron, the lovelier the clothes they make.
Come on. Here you go. Come on. Here you go. Hello.
And he won't go
Welcome home.
Without him.
Hello.
There we go.
Aww. Hi, guys. These are handsome boys. This is your new home. Are you going to go explore? Oh, they go. Oh.
See ya.
That's it.
Bye.
Never to be seen again. Yeah, and we're getting quite the menagerie, I suppose you could say, because the sheep, our neighbour's sheep who are in our paddock, there's 14 of them at the moment, and in the evenings Miranda goes and prunes all the roses and feeds them to the alpacas, but the sheep get involved as well, so now the sheep are associating Miranda with food, so every time we come out in the paddock the sheep are coming up as well.
Good morning. Hi, Squeaker. How are you? You good? Oh, you're all coming now, are ya? Good morning. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. How are you? That's Steve's carrot. Hey, that's Steve's carrot. Hey, Squeaker. How are you, buddy? Oh, you stamping your foot. Don't you stamp your foot at Steve. That's his. Hmm? Oh, Steve, buddy, don't give up your carrot. There's more here, Bubba. Here. Steve, here, darling. He took his food, mate.
I was just going to say, don't get too attached to them because they're destined for the dinner plate, but now I guess you're not attached because he stole Steve's food.
I'm a little bit attached to Squeaker though.
Yeah.
I don't want to know when he gets taken. Mr. Squeaker.
Wasn't there a character in Toy Story that had a busted squeaker?
Yeah,
Was he called Squeaker?
I don't know, but that's who he reminds me
Yeah.
of, that little one there.
Because when we first moved in, those sheep wanted nothing to do with us, but now they're getting really close and friendly. And Jacqueline was saying she actually patted one of the little baby lambs recently.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, but don't get too attached. They're destined for the barbecue.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah, and the chickens, they're all good.
Yeah.
They're over there in the coop. Oh, I think Jacqueline might be letting them out now. It's funny, like when the chickens are out, they're just following us as well because they associate us with food as well. So let's see if we can get them over here.
Hello, ladies. How are you?
Yep, Jacqueline, here they come. They're running over with Jacqueline.
You're right.
Oh, here they are.
Oh, hello, ladies. How are you? Good morning.
They're crazy, eh?
Oh, golly.
Why don't you show Snowflake Jacqueline? This was Jacqueline's birthday present from Isla and Evie, who live locally, our friends. Well, Jacqueline's friends. This chicken, I mean, it might be a little bit close, Jackie. You might want to back it up a little bit.
Back it up a bit, bud.
Keep coming back. Keep coming back. So this chicken, pass her out. This is a silky, and I'll tell you what, it's like a lap dog because you can just put them on your lap and they'll just sit there. And has a little fluffy afro. Like, check out that afro. Check out that afro.
Let me do it.
I got him. Crazy. There you go.
Come here.
She's a bit too pretty for the paddock, I think.
Yeah.
She,
because-
darling. Hey?
When it rains, she gets an electric header.
And as far as the alpacas go, Steve is really friendly. We called it Steve because one of our friends who lives local, his name's Steve, and he hates alpacas, so we named one Steve. And the other one, Donald. My old man hates Donald Trump, so he named him Donald.
And funny
Just to
enough,
annoy him.
he turned up with this Donald Trump
Had
hairdo.
this,
We'd
like,
never seen
funny
it.
hairdo. Hey. It's like, oh, yeah,
perfect.
Donald. Yeah.
Steve! Hello, Bubba. Steve!
Yeah. He'll eat out your hands. He'll come right up to you.
Steve!
Yeah, so as far as the renos go, there's nothing else too exciting really been going on. Miranda's been doing a bunch of painting, door frames and doors. All the doors are now white, and I installed some black door handles. That's, you know, nothing too extravagant, but it has made a huge difference.
Yeah,
Opened up that hallway a fair bit.
yeah. It
Makes it
looks
look a
nice
lot-
and fresh and
yeah,
clean
yeah.
and light and bright,
Yeah.
so it's made a huge
Yeah.
difference.
That's probably about it, to be honest. Just a little welcome to 2025 Renos update. It's nice to be under the canvas.
Who would have thought this time last year we would be able to set up our camper
It's-
in our backyard?
Yeah, it's funny, because when I set this up for my brother
Crazy.
before Christmas, I just sat down here and looked out over the paddock and I was having a beer and I just felt like I was on holidays. Felt like we were at a farm stay. So I think when and if we finally get our hip camps up and running, it's going to be quite pleasant.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
I quite often just come sit down here of an evening,
Mm,
listen to the kookaburras, and
Yeah.
it's really
heaps of bird life here, hey?
yeah, beautiful.
Magpies, kookaburras, cockatoos, 28s.
Little wrens.
Yeah, the little blue wrens, they're awesome.
Yeah.
Silver eyes. Oh, our orchard got smashed by the birds, by the way. We had a bunch of peaches and we pretty much lost them all. I never got around to netting them because we've been so busy with everything else. I was fully prepared to lose a lot of fruit, and we did. We got a few peaches, got a few figs. The apples aren't quite ready yet, but they're starting to get eaten by the birds too. But next year I'm going to trim them all down so I can get the nets over them. We'll get a lot of fruit off those trees.
Yeah, next year.
Yeah.
So it's all moving along just nicely, and
Almost got her.
oh, you know, can't speak for you, but I think it's the best
me?
move that we've ever made. Yeah, just absolutely loving it. So yeah.
Got her. This one here. This is Goldie. It's a very imaginative name. Yeah, she's so soft, hey, this one.
Yeah, she's really pretty.
What are you doing up there? See ya.
So yeah, just a little update.
Yep.
Hopefully in our next video then there'll be really big changes because the roof will be up, and with a bit of luck the kitchen will be pretty much finished, and then they'll be starting the bathroom and laundry, so that might have even started to come underway.
Yep.
So
And that bathroom's going to be a hassle actually, because I've got to lift that entire floor.
I think, isn't Nick doing that?
Oh, I said I'd try it,
Oh,
and then
okay.
I'll probably handball it back to him. Trying to save some money, but like I said, I can demolish things, but actually removing the entire floor might be a little bit beyond me. But that floor, for whatever reason, is elevated above the other floor, so if we want everything to flow nicely, that floor's going to have to come out. Which is another thing that you don't realise until you start the renos. That's, you know, another little blowout item.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's going to be worth it in the end. So today we've got Craig's brother and family coming back, and they're going to be staying in the Robbo again tonight.
That's why the camp is still set up.
Yeah, and then Craig's parents will be coming for a quick visit tomorrow. They're all staying down in Albany, so we're going to be spending some time down there with them. And then also next week, Craig's cousin and wife and their daughter are coming to camp in the paddock. So it's been nice having everyone coming through. And
that'll be actually my cousin James. There was his Triton, Trixie the Triton, that blew up when we were at Carragini. If you follow us, you might remember that. So that'll be the triumphant return of Trixie the Triton back to the channel.
yeah, so
Might have a sit down with him and chat about what happened there.
yeah, so lots going on, but it's been fantastic.
Mm.
And I hope everyone's had a fantastic start to the year. Yeah, let us know what's going on in your world. You know, what have you been up to?
Yeah.
Traveling? Yeah, whatever. We'll be traveling soon again.
We will be travelling soon again. In fact, next week, like I said, we're going to Albany,
to
for a
Albany,
couple of
yeah.
nights. I've got some time off of work, which is going to be good.
Which still
Just
feels like a
relax.
holiday because we don't know the area.
Yeah.
So it's fun.
It is. Right. Until next episode.
Yeah.
Catch you out there. Missed.
Missed.